Korea and the US military conducted rare missile drills at an American supercarrier repositioned east of North Korea after Pyongyang flew a missile over Japan, one of the Allies' sharpest responses since 2017 to a North Korean weapon test. The test was the Allies' second exercise in under 24 hours, following a provocative test launched Tuesday morning by neighboring North Korea, which fired a ballistic missile without warning over Japan in a significant escalation of its weapons testing program. The US and South Korea initially responded to the provocation with a precision bombing exercise on Tuesday, which involved a South Korean F-15K fighter jet firing 2 air-to-surface munitions at a virtual target in a firing range west of the Korean peninsula, as per the South Korean Joint Chiefs. The White House National Security Council called North Korea's latest test dangerous and reckless, and the US military and its allies have stepped up displays of force. South Korean and American troops fired a volley of missiles into the sea in response, South Korea's Joint Chiefs of Staff said on Wednesday, and the allies earlier staged a bombing drill with fighter jets in the Yellow Sea. The USS Ronald Reagan, an American aircraft carrier that made its first stop in South Korea last month for the first time in years, will also return to the sea between Korea and Japan with the strike group of other warships. The South Korean military called it a highly unusual move designed to show the Allies' resolve to respond to any threats from North Korea. US Indo-Pacific Command did not immediately respond to a request for comment. The South Korean military separately confirmed that one of its Hyun-Mu-2C missiles failed shortly after launch and crashed during the drill, but that no one was hurt. Footage shared on social media by a nearby resident and verified by Reuters showed smoke and flames rising from the military base. The fire was caught by burning rocket propellant, and although the missile carried a warhead, it did not explode, South Korea's military said. President Yoon Suk-yeol, who had made such displays of military force a cornerstone of his strategy for countering the North, has vowed that the overflight of Japan would bring a decisive response from his country, its allies, and the international community.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.